Would you like to win a projector from Aaxa Technologies and help out kids all around the US this Halloween season? I'm going to let you know how, coming up. Hey everyone, it's Zach with Toil Trouble's DIY, and I'm excited to let you know that I've partnered with Aaxa Technologies to give you a chance to win one of 3 awesome projectors just by helping out a nonprofit organization that's near and dear to my heart, which is Ween Dream. And now I'm going to throw it over to Ween Dream's Chief Operations Officer, Allie, so she can let you know what their organization is all about.
Thanks, Zach. We're excited to be partnering with Toil Trouble's DIY for our new costume fundraiser. Ween Dream is an all-volunteer, nationally recognized nonprofit that gives away free, new, and gently used Halloween costumes to kids across the country. Since 2014, we've given away over 15,000 costumes to our Weensters in 32 states. Since no one has paid for their efforts, every dollar that we raise goes directly back to our kids and their costumes. This year, we're hoping to raise $10,000 so that we can provide 400 Weensters with brand new costumes. Now back over to Zach for the details of the giveaway.
So before we jump into the details, I want to give a huge shout out to Aaxa Technologies for donating all 3 of their Halloween projectors for this giveaway. The 3 projectors up for grabs are the HP1, the HP2, and their brand new HP3. Now you've seen me use the HP1 and the HP2 in several of my videos, but since the HP3 is brand new for Halloween 2022, let's do a quick rundown to show you what you can expect from this spooky projector. The HP3 has a native resolution of 720p. It has 300 LED lumens with a contrast ratio of 1000 to 1. It has manual focus and keystone correction. It has a built-in speaker, HDMI input, a stereo headphone jack, a composite AV input, USB and micro SD card slots, and comes with a remote control and a micro SD card that's preloaded with 6 spectral illusion digital decorations valued at $90. So all you need to do is plug this projector in and you're ready to start digitally decorating. Now if you want to get your hands on the HP3 but don't want to wait to see if you win it, it's currently retailing for $119 and can be purchased through the link in the description below. So now that we've gone over the specs, let's do a quick test to see how this projector performs. Now that you've seen everything that's up for grabs, let's talk about the rules of the giveaway, which will also be listed in the description below. No purchase is necessary to enter the giveaway, but a donation of any size to Ween Dream's new costume fundraiser is greatly appreciated. If you would like to make a donation, I will leave the link to the fundraiser in the description. A donation will not increase your chances of winning. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, each participant must be a current US resident, must be subscribed to Toil Trouble's DIY on YouTube, must follow Aaxa Technologies on Instagram, and must comment #WeenDream on this giveaway video. Entries to the giveaway will close on September 30th at 11:59 p.m. Central, and on October 1st, I will randomly choose 3 winners for each of the projectors and notify the winners via email. A full list of official rules are listed in the description below. So best of luck on winning one of these awesome projectors, and thank you again to Aaxa Technologies for sponsoring this giveaway. Now let's go raise some money to help out an awesome cause. Once again, I'm Zach with Toil Trouble's DIY, and until next time, go make your own magic.